case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1954, a tragic situation descended into a legal quagmire in the Supreme Court case Leyra v. Denno. The case centered on a 50-year-old son, convicted and sentenced to death for the murder of his elderly parents in their Brooklyn apartment. The case turned on a series of confessions used in the trial, some of which the son claimed were coerced. The psychological turmoil began when the son was pressured under intensive police questioning to confess to the crimes. The tactics they used ultimately broke his ability to resist interrogation and led him to confess. Despite the victory for the defense, the son found himself in the dock again for the same crime. This time, however, the initial coerced confession was not used. Instead, other confessions, born of the original invalidated one, were admitted into evidence. The defense cried foul, arguing these confessions too were coerced. Again, the son was found guilty and condemned to death. Following this, the son launched a habeas corpus proceeding, arguing all his confessions were results of coercion. Although initially rejected by the District Court and the Court of Appeals, the Supreme Court, against all odds, took a different view. The highest court in the land found in favor of the accused, ruling that his rights had indeed been trampled upon. The court found the son's confession, extracted through coercion, to be unconstitutional and violated his rights. The man's habeas corpus application was thus granted and his conviction based on those confessions thrown out. The doctor's questionable methods of inquiry, which potentially infringed on the son's right against self-incrimination, were also ruled as unethical.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.